Okay, now let's use if. So we want to see if our number is between 0 and 9. So here we put if the condition, right? What is the condition we want? And here we don't need to open and close. We just put semicolon and we are there. The indentation here is very important. You see, everything that is gonna be here will be inside the if, and if you go to the left, if we go to the main. So if num1 less than 0 or num1 greater than 10. So let's see here, the IDA is showing you right away the errors. You put here saying you don't need the parentheses, so let's delete the parentheses. And here there's another error, expression of unexpected. So this or is not working, so we need to type or. So because the idea of Python is to make it easier to write, and that's how they build it. So pay attention to many things that is gonna be different from the other programs we have used. So if this is true, the condition, we're gonna print and finish the program. In this case, we're just gonna type this. Here also is showing you, because there is important spaces that you have to have in Python, so it will show you, the IDA will show you right away where you need to put the spaces or this kind of simple syntax error. So type a number, 12 multiplied by 2 will be 24. Okay, it's working. Now let's type. So here you see the condition is working. Finish the program. Now let's put the else. So else, we don't need condition, but we need the semicolon. Now here we want to print that the value is okay, right? Okay, so now let's copy this and paste it for number 2. And here we put number 2, and now you will see the okay. 12, finish the program because it's wrong. 2, okay. But how we finish the program in Python? So you see, return outside the function, semicolon in the statement. We don't need this semicolon. Now we don't need this also. So what it's saying us is there is not a function, so it return outside the function, but we don't have. And we put break, it doesn't work also because it's for the loop. So in this case, because we are not here in any function, like let's say in main, let's open breaker here. So then we get an error because we need to return something, right? So here return 0, and this should be indented to the right because this is a function. We don't need this. We don't need this because this is Python, sorry for that. And we don't need to tell this. So you see, Python have here different stuff that we need to be careful when we are using. You see unexpected indenting, because the functions in Python you need to declare different, like definition, main, and that's how you declare the functions. So let's see to return. Let's see what happened now that we work here. So here it said process finished with exit. because we are not calling the main, right? So here now we have a function called main, and we are calling the main from here. So type a number 12, and 12 is greater than 10, so it will finish the program, right? Now let's do it again. Type a number. I type a number 2, is okay, no problem. I type 3, is okay, the result is 6. So this is how it works elif. I will show you more about the definition of functions and all this in Python later on when we'll move forward. So now let's continue with